Welcome to my channel today as we are going to discuss very crucial matter to every forex trader. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, professional, we are going to discuss this crucial matter today called leverage. You are actually looking for a broker with high leverage. Now, if I may ask, anyway, before we go into the nitty-gritty of the whole thing, I urge you to subscribe, share, please. Be part of this channel because a lot of people are out there seeking for this same knowledge that you are opportune to have on this platform. So please subscribe once more. So back to the topic, we are talking of leverage. Before we go into this topic, leverage, let me ask you some mind-boggling questions. Do you really need a leverage in forex trading? Is leverage profitable or a killer tool for traders? When are you supposed to use leverage as a trader? So while you have been searching for leverage with trader with high leverage, have you ever asked yourself these questions? Now, what is leverage? Before we go into this detail, or for the benefit of the new ones or the new ones into the world of forex, what is leverage? In a simple term, this is a financial support that the brokers promise to give you or offer to anybody that sign up with him or her. Yes, the broker is there with some liquidity to support whatever you have financially so that you have a bigger portion of the market in your favor. That is leverage. In fact, in the definition or in their marketing listing, they call it, you see, they flash you with leverage 1:500, leverage 1:1000, leverage 1:2000, leverage 1:3000. But the difference here is that at the same time, the broker controls that support he gives you. Now, let me give you another example. You are in a garage and you see a bicycle you want to buy. The bicycle goes for $100. Now, you are having $80. You need $20, or you're having $20 and you need $80 to complete and buy the bicycle. Now, because you don't have this money, you look around the neighborhood, you see someone and say, okay, please borrow me $80. Let me buy this. Now, when the person gives you the money, the person has no power again to collect the money until if you want to pay willingly, or if the problem bursts, because a lot of people don't like paying, then that's when you pay. But in this case that the broker borrows you or gives you money support, he is simultaneously in charge of the money, monitoring the money. Once you want to useless the money, the broker will call a margin to you and say, stop that trade. After your own money has finished. Now, what it means is that if the leverage is 1:100, that means for every $1 you add in your account, the broker is ready to support you with $100. That means if you have $1,000 in your account, you can have a broker, you can trade a position of up to 100,000. But let me ask you this funny question. Do you think there is free meal anywhere in the world? Do you think it's reasonable for someone to say, please come and borrow money and trade, come and borrow money and trade? There is something behind it. There is something behind it. Leverage is one of the... Now let's go back to our question and see, do you really need it to trade? Yes, you need it, but at a particular point. The second question is leverage a profitable or a killer tool for traders? Yes, if you are a beginner. If you don't know how to trade professionally, leverage is a killer, is a murderer. Yes. So when do you need leverage? It's only when you are a professional trader. It's only when you are a professional trader. That is the only reason, that is when you will demand for leverage. In the real world, it is an established fact that you don't borrow money to start a business. Rather, you borrow money to establish, to expand the existing business. Because you've already gotten the structure. Now you can borrow money and expand the business. So applicable to the Forex trading. You don't borrow money to start trading. You don't borrow money to start learning the ropes. You don't borrow money to test the waters. You can only borrow money when you are so convinced you are good in it. You start borrowing money. So that is when you use leverage. Am I making sense? Please, if you are enjoying this video, share, be part of my class, be part of this community, subscribe, click on the notification button. So, in a nutshell now, I hope you've gotten an understanding of what leverage is and when you need it and when it is a killer. It's a double sword. Who provides the leverage? It is the broker. So, for you to get a leverage, you must have a broker. That means there are essential factors you consider before getting a broker. And one of the three major factors are as follows: regulation, spread, and commission, easy of deposit and withdrawal. Now, I'm very keen about the regulation. If your broker is not regulated by either FCA, ASIC, or CYSEC, then there is a very big problem. Do you know why? These regulatory bodies gives these brokers a range of leverage to give or to allow on their platform. Yes, most regulated brokers cannot give you more than 1,000, 1:1,000. So if you see leverage of 1:3,000, 5,000, then most those brokers are not regulated by these three major bodies, and it is very risky trading with such brokers. Remember, your money is at stake. The paramount aim of coming to trade is to make money. But before then, you hand your money over to a broker. So if you don't know the broker you're handing money to, if you don't know these features about the broker, then the money is as good as waste. So who is regulating the broker you are using? If you don't know, just ask the broker, give me an evidence, show me who regulates you. If they say it is this or that, then ask for the website of the regulator. Get their ID, regulatory ID, and search for that broker on that regulator's platform. What are the spread and commission? The spread shouldn't be more than 0.5 to 0.7. That is my trading rule. If you don't know, the spread is the difference between the buy and sell, the ask and bid price. A broker places the pair. Now, when the pair, the spread is stiff much, upon entering the trade, you notice that you'll be on the negative side, which is very demoralizing. There's nothing bad about almost being in positive once you click the enter button. So you have to look at the trade and their commission. Then how easy is it to do business with that broker? Easy of deposit and easy of withdrawal. So these are essential factors you must consider when searching for a broker with high leverage. The leverage shouldn't be more than 1:1,000. And as I speak to you, I personally don't use leverage more than 1:5. Yes, I love trading my money. In fact, the most reliable broker I use, Trade, is one of the brokers that has leverage of 1:1, and that is the broker I use. It is the best broker as long as I'm concerned. Having used more than 15 to 20 brokers in my life as a trader, I can boldly tell you a broker who you can start as a beginner. Even if you're a professional, you can come and make more money. Never you underrate the power of a broker. The broker will make you money or make you broke. Yes, the broker provides the field, the platform for trading. Let me tell you, good footballers don't play on a rough pitch. Their best or their talent cannot be displayed on a rough pitch. You can attest to that. So good trader, or every trader, need a good pitch. And who provides the pitch? The broker. So if you get the broker wrong, you can, in fact, the broker is a foundation. You can never make money. We have brokers that manipulate charts. So because of that, I have come out to tell you a broker that will never disappoint you. Then who is my broker and why? My broker is called Octa Forex. Octa Forex. The link to the broker's site is in the description below. This is a broker that has every quality you need to excel as a trader. Am I alone? Am I the only person telling you of Octaforex? Now let's look at what others are saying about this. Let's see. Okay, let's go here. Now this is from Trustpilot, which is the most reliable review site online. Look at, with over 7,000 review, look at how excellent the result is. So I'm not alone. You have everything to gain having this broker as your partner. You have everything, nothing to lose. Yes, they have all the platform, all the cost of, in fact, no matter the challenges, within 3 hours, you have your response. Deposit and withdrawal is almost instant. As I said, a lot of people have said, and in fact, I was able to join this broker based on the review. And for more than 4 or 5 years now, I am glad that finally I have found a broker that meets my trading platform. If you enjoyed this video, please share, subscribe, be part of my channel as I grow team of successful traders in the world. Thank you for watching.